Hey there. If you've ever dreamed of making extra income without quitting your full-time job, this is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate passive income using AI, even if you only have 1 hour a day to spare. So let's break it down step by step. You ready? Step 1, choose your passive income stream. First, you got to decide how you want to earn your money, right? There are so many options today, from starting a YouTube channel, writing ebooks, or launching an online course, to selling digital downloads, stock photos, or even creating music using AI. Some people use AI to create printable designs for Etsy, run a blog with automated content, or manage affiliate marketing sites that earn money while they sleep. Pick something that excites you and that you can stick with for the long run. Step 2, match it with your skills and interests. Now take a moment and look inward. Are you a good writer, a video editor, or maybe more analytical and love research or investing? Whatever your strength is, there's an AI-powered side hustle that matches what you're looking for. AI isn't just a buzzword. It can help you write, design, create music, generate voiceovers, and even build websites faster and easier than ever before. Step 3, set a budget to start. Here's the good news. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get started. A budget between $100 to $500 is more than enough for most AI tools, web hosting, and domain names. Start with low-risk, high-reward options like blogging, affiliate marketing, or selling templates. And remember, your first goal is to test the waters, not to break the bank. Step 4, prepare your setup. Spend about 1 to 2 weeks setting everything up. That includes your blog, online store, or your YouTube channel. Use this time to create your first few pieces of content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or digital products. And here's a tip. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Notion AI can help speed up your workflow big time. All right, step 5, launch your platform. Now it's time to go live. You need to upload your content, publish your site, and let the world see what you've created. Make sure your user experience is clean and inviting. Add keywords for SEO, and focus on content that will stay relevant, or what we also call evergreen content. Step 6, automate and optimize. This is where AI really shines. Use scheduling tools like Buffer, Zapier, or Hootsuite to post automatically. Use AI to optimize titles, thumbnails, and copy to boost engagement, and you can use ChatGPT for that. And once you get traffic, look at the data, what's working and what's not. Tweak and improve as you go. All right, step 7, engage with your audience. Here's a powerful truth. People buy from people they trust. So reply to comments, answer questions, and show your audience that there's a real person behind the content. Use polls or giveaways and exclusive offers to keep them involved. The stronger your connection, the more your audience will grow, and the more income you'll earn passively. Step 8, you should track your finances. Even passive income needs management. You can use tools like QuickBooks or Wave Accounting, or even Google Sheets to keep track of your earnings and your expenses. Reinvest your profits into better tools, marketing, or scaling your business. This is how you go from a few dollars a week to hundreds or even thousands a month. Step 9 is stay consistent and be patient. This is a big one. Yes, AI can help you move faster, but success still takes consistency and, here's the big one, patience. Make it a daily habit, just 1 hour a day. Some days will feel slow, but keep at it. Passive income is a snowball. The more you build, the bigger it grows over time. So if you're serious about building a passive income stream using AI, start today. Don't overthink it. Pick one idea, dedicate 1 hour a day, and trust the process. Listen, if this was helpful, hit that like button, follow, or subscribe, and let's grow your digital income stream together. You got this. I'll see you all on the next video.